really excited right now for two reasons. One, I get to go camping with my daughter. We haven't really camped together for a long time. The last time we went was about 6 months ago when we went camping at the Grand Canyon. The other reason is that I haven't gone camping for about a month because it's December, but the only place I can go camping in the winter is by the river, which is about 2 hours from my house. It's really, really nice, and it's literally next to the river. And we also have our two dogs with us. Usually I only take the big dog. Area here. Say hey. Hi. And then, ow! I hit my head in the lantern. That one. And then that's my area. And then this is backwards. That's supposed to be the front, but we always put it up backwards. But it's actually kind of okay because we're coming from here and it's nice and spacious. This is perfect for the summer because it's kind of cool inside. You know, usually when they split wood, they split it on the top, not in the middle.
What does that even mean?
That you stand it on its...
Do you see what this looks like?
I know.
I can't do that.
I know, well, do your thing. So the campsite we chose is called Bear Wallow, and while we're here I'm also going to do a little bit of bear hunting, and I feel that bear hunting is a little bit tricky. Everybody tells me where to go, all these different locations, higher elevation, lower elevation, and I go check them out and then I don't see anything. So this is about 1,000 feet, maybe 1,200 feet, so that's pretty low, but a lot of hunters are saying that there are bears here, and I'm a little bit skeptical. I don't know, to me the terrain kind of looks too open. There are acorns here, so it's a possibility, but so I'm going to check it out and see what we find. Also move. Also. Hey.
Jaj, de sugár ez a cigány lejárt, az kitükörbe fésüli a haját, a hosszú haja a vállára lejjég, hoppá, elment hát el az ultár elé. A hosszú haja a vállára lejjég, hoppá, elment hát el az ultár elé. Ha megrázza a fekete haját, csókanyúcsa a gyönyörű száját, megszédít az minden magyar legény, akire ő ráveti a szemét. Megszédít az minden magyar legény, akire ő ráveti a szemét. Ez a krémer, jaj, de nagyon kanos, se nem kicsi, se nem olyan magas, de ha bemegy, akkor...
I think it's done. Oh my God. That's it might not be the darkest coffee, but that's okay. There's our little fire starter, and stick it right in the bottom. We're going to the bathroom, and as always, they're going with me to make sure I'm protected.
I self-taught myself how to braid.
You self-taught yourself.
Yeah, self-taught. I am self-taught.
There you go. You can just say self-taught myself.
Stick to plastic ones.
It is plastic.
No, I meant like the ones you can throw away.
No. Too.
You have some smush on your face.
It is now Sunday afternoon and tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so it's time for us to pack up and go home. This was a really fun weekend. Not a whole lot happened, but most camping trips are just supposed to be relaxing and fun.
Watching, and please subscribe to our channel.
Are you ready to go home? Did you have fun? Let's go home.